How to lock Snapchat with Face ID. Let's get started. Launch your Shortcuts app. This is the default app in your device. If you cannot find this app in your device, you can launch your App Store, search for the app Shortcuts and install it. After completion of its installation process, you can launch this app. You'll land to this kind of interface. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of automation. Click on this option of new automation. Now scroll down. Go ahead and find the option app. Once you find it, open it. Now click on this option of choose. Select the app Snapchat. Click on done. Now set it to run immediately. Now click on next. Now click on this option of new blank automation. Click on this option of add action. Over here you will find this search box. Type in lock screen. After it appears, click on it. Now click on done. With that, you have just created automation. Now you can close this. Now whenever you open your Snapchat, it will ask for the Face ID. Now you have to enable your Face ID, and with that you will be able to access to your Snapchat account. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily lock Snapchat with Face ID. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.